Hi everyone, I'm Bree the Plant Lady. Today I'm doing some final rice seeding. In case you were wondering where all the black Madras rice from parkseed.com went, it was stashed away in a box in my office that I found yesterday. So yeah, I am a seed hoarder. I won't deny that. I do recommend that you check out parkseed.com as I think they do still have rice in stock. So what I'm gonna do is finish filling these 2 pots with soil cube compost. Again, these pots don't have any holes in them, so they're going to be ideal for growing rice because it will provide the saturation that the rice needs to really thrive without me having to water it every single day. Use compost rather than potting soil so it won't dry out so quickly. You can see these pots are filled to just under the brim. And now what I'm gonna do is take these rice seeds and I'm gonna use a whole bunch in each of these pots because there aren't a lot of seeds in each of these packets. When I was selling rice earlier this season, I was trying to describe to people how much more rice was in one of my packets. They were 1 ounce packets. So it's a lot of these, put it that way. You need a lot in order to make a statement. You know, I think last year I was doing 10 packets per pot. So that's why I bought so many. It's not just that I'm obsessive with ordering seed. You can also see why it's great when you can find rice seed in a larger quantity because it's a lot less tedious and it's a lot less expensive. For the most dynamic display, you want to fill the entire surface of the top of your pot with rice seed. That way it will grow as one massive clump. This may include you having to use multiple packets of rice, which is why I always recommend that you harvest some of your own seed to ensure that you'll have enough for the next season. Well, I have to say, I'm actually kind of shocked and disappointed that 20 packs of black Madre seed was only enough to barely fill these 2 containers. So that makes me feel really good about the seed that I was selling and that my packets were really generous. I'm going to be really determined to harvest my own black Madre seed for next season just because I know that I spent like $3.99 per packet times 20 and it's only going into 2 containers, so it doesn't feel like a very wise investment. So now I'm just going to cover these with a little bit of mulch and water them in. I'll probably let the skies water it in because we're still expecting more rain. And I'll give you updates as these start to germinate in the coming weeks. After seeding, top dress with mulch to ensure good seed to soil contact. Black Madras is a beautiful variety with this dark foliage. It thrives in a container with no holes, which is what I recommend for first-time growers. Expect this dynamic color to show off all summer long. Thanks for watching, and for more garden inspiration, subscribe to Bree the Plant Lady. Have a great day, everybody.